Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy USDT on Changelly. First thing I want you to do is just launch the app, come here, hit this icon to transact, and then just come here, hit buy. Okay, what I want you to do now, you'll see right here, we're buying Bitcoin basically by spending dollars, US dollars. So you click on this drop down and you can choose your cryptocurrency. In this case, you just search up USDT right here. Go ahead and click on it. And what I want you to do is choose the amount of dollars and then just hit next step right here. And you need your wallet address. So if you have your wallet address that you're buying it to, go ahead and paste it in right here, destination address. Or if you don't have one, just come here, create one to get started. I'll ask you to get a wallet from the App Store. Go ahead and download one. You can use one of their partners. You can download another one as well. It will work. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.